Hello 6th standard students, welcome back to our channel Vidyarthi. We were discussing the worksheet 1 of ratio, proportion and unitary method. Now coming to the 9th sum, Mr. Arun earns 9,500 rupees per month and his wife earns rupees 8,000. Find the ratio of Mr. Arun's income to his wife's income and the wife's income to total income. So, इसका मतलब क्या है? मिस्टर अरुण का अर्निंग्स है 9,500 रुपीज और उसकी वाइफ की 8,000. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन में रेशियो ऑफ मिस्टर अरुण्स इनकम टू वाइफ्स इनकम पूछे हैं तो वो दोनों है, लेकिन सेकंड क्वेश्चन में वाइफ्स इनकम टू टोटल इनकम, तो टोटल इनकम नहीं दिया है. यू हैव टू फाइंड. सो सॉल्यूशन, अर्निंग्स ऑफ मिस्टर अरुण इट इज रुपीज 9,500. वाइफ अर्न्स, अर्निंग्स ऑफ हिज वाइफ इट इज रुपीज 8,000. सो फाइंड आउट टोटल अर्निंग्स. टोटल का मतलब क्या करने का है? दोनों को ऐड करने का. सो 9,500 plus 8,000, you got rupees, last two zeros, then 0 plus 5, 5, 9 plus 8, 16, 17. So you got 17,500. Now the question, the ratio of Mr. Arun's income to wife's income. अरुण का कितना है? 9,500 is to wife 8,000. It is 9,500 upon 8,000. 2020 cut. Ending with 5 and 0, 5 stable. 5 ones are 5, 6, 7, 8, 3 remains. So it is a 5, 6 are 30. 5 ones are 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 4 remains. 5 nines are 45. Now 19 by 16. 19 is a prime number. So that's the final. So 19 is to 16 is the answer. Now second question, ratio of wife's income to total income. Wife's income 8,000, total income 17,500. So 8,000 upon 17,500, 2020 cut. Ending with 0 and 5, try with 5. 5 ones are 5, 6, 7, 8, 3 remains. 5, 6 are 30. 5 3s are 15, 16, 17, 2 remains. So 5 5s are 35. Now 16 and 35 doesn't exist in any table, isn't it? Both, they don't come. So 16 by 35, so it is 16 is to 35. That is the lowest. Hope everyone understood this sum. Now coming to the question number 10. In a dictation test of 20 words, Rohan spelled 18 words correctly. एक डिक्टेशन टेस्ट दिया गया, उसमें द वर्ड्स लिखने के लिए दिया गया था, तो उसमें से 18 वर्ड्स करेक्ट था. फाइंड द रेशियो ऑफ टोटल वर्ड्स टू द रॉन्गली स्पेल्ड वर्ड्स. 18 करेक्ट है तो रॉन्ग कितना आएगा? फाइंड आउट करो. करेक्टली स्पेल्ड टू द रॉन्गली स्पेल्ड वर्ड्स. So total number of words, how many? Total is 20. Number of correctly spelled words कितने बोले हैं? 18. नाउ देयरफॉर नंबर ऑफ रॉन्गली स्पेल्ड वर्ड्स, कितने रॉन्ग थे? 20 माइनस 18, कितना आएगा? इट इज 2। अंडरस्टूड? 20 करेक्ट थे, टोटल थे, 18 करेक्ट थे, तो रॉन्ग 2 हो गए। नाउ फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, रेशियो ऑफ टोटल वर्ड्स टू रॉन्गली स्पेल्ड वर्ड्स। टोटल वर्ड्स टू रॉन्गली स्पेल्ड वर्ड्स, टोटल is 20 is 2, wrongly spelled it is 2, therefore 20 by 2, 2 ones are 2 tens are 10 by 1, so you got 10 is to 1. Now question B, correctly spelled words to wrongly spelled words, ratio of correctly spelled words to wrongly spelled words. So ये सब स्टेटमेंट्स करेक्ट से लिखने का है, ठीक है? क्वेश्चन के हिसाब से जो भी है उसको लिखो, फिर आगे क्या आंसर आएगा लिखो। फर्स्ट, करेक्टली स्पेल्ड इज 18, wrongly spelled is 2, so 18 by 2, 2 ones are 2 nines are, so 9 by 1, that is 9 is to 1. Correct? Understood? Now coming to the 11th sum, Mr. Sarin earns 2,50,000 every year and he pays 24,000 rupees as a income tax. So earns मतलब उसका इनकम। सो अर्न्स का दूसरा नाम क्या है? अर्निंग्स का, इट इज द इनकम। फिर इनकम टैक्स कितना भरेगा? 24,000। सो वर्ड्स को समझ के ले लो, अर्निंग्स एंड इनकम मीनिंग इज सेम। सो क्वेश्चन में पूछे हैं रेशियो ऑफ इनकम टैक्स टू इनकम and income to income tax. Read the words properly. Ratio of income tax to income, the ratio of income to income tax. So solution, Mrs. Sarin's income. इधर अर्निंग्स दिया है लेकिन क्वेश्चन में इनकम दिया है, तो वो वर्ड ही डालो। इट इज इनकम। हाउ मच इज इट? इट इज रुपीज 2,50,000. And pays 24,000 as income tax. So income tax is rupees 24,000. The ratio of income tax to income. So पहले income tax लिखने का, that is 24,000 is to income, that is 2,50,000. Now 24,000 upon 2,50,000, 30 cancelled. 24 and 250, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 1 remains, 2 fives are 10. So it is only 12 by 125. It is 12 is to 125. Now the reverse. Ratio of income to income tax. Income is 2,50,000 is to income tax 24,000. Numbers are same, only the order is changed. So 2,50,000 न्यूमरेटर में लिखो, 24,000 डिनोमिनेटर में लिखो, 30 कैंसल, कैलकुलेशन सेम है। 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 1 remains, 2 fives are 10. Same answer, but it is reversed. 125 upon 12. So 125 is to 12. Because here it is interchange, income tax to income, income to income tax. So answer same, but the numbers are same, but it is reversed. So that is why we have to take care. First you have to write. Second. You can't interchange. So hope you understood the word problems, all the word problems. Now coming to the last question, that is 12th one, fill in the blanks. Comparing two quantities by division. What is it called? Ratio. है ना, रेशियो का डेफिनेशन ही वही है, कंपेयरिंग द टू क्वांटिटीज बाय डिवीजन. द रेशियो इज ऑलवेज एक्सप्रेस्ड इन इट्स डैश फॉर्म, इन इट्स सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म, इजंट इट. उसको सबसे लोएस्ट में लेकर आके फिर बोलना पड़ता है, सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म, और यू कैन राइट लोएस्ट, बोथ आर सेम. The first term in 11 is to 24. First term क्या है? First number, that is 11. And the second term is second, that is 24. The ratio of letter M in the word mathematics to the total letters in the word. तो mathematics में M कितना बार आया? M is repeated 1 time, 2 time. So M is repeated 2 times. Now total number कितने हैं? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So M is repeated 2 times and total number of letters is 11. That is why we are writing 2 is to 11. This is only the explanation part, okay? So answer is 2 is to 11. Now the ratio of even numbers to odd numbers in a set of natural numbers from 1 to 25. So for your explanation, the even numbers कितने रहेंगे? Even numbers from 1 to 25. एक नंबर छोड़ के एक alternate numbers, they are the even numbers, isn't it? So आप लोग काउंट करोगे तो 2, 1 के बाद 2 से स्टार्ट होता है, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24. So you got 12. The odd numbers कितने आएंगे? 1 and 25 ऐड होगा. So 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19, 21, 23, 25. So you got 13. So total 25 numbers है, उसमें से 12 even numbers है और 13 odd numbers है. Okay? So it is a ratio of even numbers. Even numbers is 12 and odd numbers is 13. Hope you understood. So 25 minus 1 is 24. 24 by 2, that is 12. So that is the even numbers. So odd numbers के लिए एक नंबर बढ़ता है क्योंकि 1 to 25 एक एक्स्ट्रा. So that was the worksheet 1. Hope everyone understood. Full worksheet 1, it's dealing with the ratio topic. Bye. Thank you. All the best.